What if saving money is actually keeping you broke? What if the habit you were told would protect you is the same habit that slowing you down? Everyone says, save your money, be careful, play it safe. But what if playing it safe is actually why nothing changes? Think about it. Part 1. The advice we all heard. From childhood, we're told one thing. Save. Don't risk. Don't lose. Saving is treated like wisdom, like maturity, like responsibility. But no one asks the real question. Save. Save for what? If your income stays the same, your life stays the same. Of course, you're not building freedom, you're preserving survival. Part 2. Why saving feels right? Saving feels safe, it gives control, it reduces uncertainty, it creates the illusion of progress. Your bank account grows, but your life doesn't. Saving protects you from short-term pain, but it also protects you from long-term changes. Comfort is experience and safety has a cost. Part 3. The income problem. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't have a saving problem, you have a income problem. You can blugger your way but of low income. You can't save fast enough to space a system designed to keep you overage. Saving pennies well away the risk isn't smart. It's slow. Part 4. What the rich do differently. Wealthy people save too, but they save differently. They don't save to hold money. They save to deploy money. Their money has a job, create more money, skills, business, assets, leverage. They don't fear spending money. They fear wasting time. Part 5. The real dangers of saving. Saving trans on think, audience, avoid mistakes, avoid losses, avoid discomfort, but growth lies in the other side of discomfort. Every major upgrade in life comes from risk, calculated risk, intentional risk, but risk not tolerances. Not risk means no experience. Part 6. Smart saving vs stat saving. There are a difference between smart saving and scared saving. Smart saving, emergency fund, strange investing, capital from opportunities. Scared saving, herding, waiting, delaying life. One prepares you for growth, the other prepares you to stay where you are. Part 7. The shift. What if the question isn't how much can I save, but how much can I learn? How much can I earn? How fast can I grow? Money sitting still loses value. Skills compound experience. Experience compresses. Action compresses. Saving don't change your life. Decisions do. So, what if saving money is keeping you broke? Because it keeps you small. Not all spending is bad. Not all risk is reckless. Some think the biggest risk is doing nothing. Don't just protect money. Build system, build skills, build income, because safety feels good, but growth changes everything. Think about it.